Hi, this is Raleigh from Fish Keep in Jamaica. Thank you for stopping by today. Today, Joe Munoz have actually been transformed to a black Jamaican, and he's actually doing some weight lifting. It is hope that you will like this video. Thanks for stopping by. Remember to hit Joe Munoz channel. He's a fitness instructor, and he also keeps fish. Stop by when you're finished watching this share. His link will be provided below this share. Yeah. Hola amigos, it's been a while since I have actually lift so much weight. I've just started probably 4 months, 5 months ago lifting weights, so today I'm going to be trying to lift some 25, 30 pounds, weights in my hand. And hopefully, I can see the effect on that now. So here we go, here we go, here we go. Don't move the camera there. So here we go, here we go. So I'm trying to burst a sweat here. I'm trying to burst a sweat here. Yeah, yeah. I'm bursting a little sweat. 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 I don't need 25 pounds. Catch me next week for another video. I think it weighed me down. Do have a wonderful day. Thank you very much for stopping by. Peace out. Rally here. Peace.